You have to be into organs if you want to eat this dish. If not, Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere coming at you from Lahore, Pakistan in partnership with my friends at Manaky. Today I'm so pumped because I'm trying pie, a traditional breakfast here in Lahore. It's basically a stew with goat feet. It looks absolutely amazing. And then after we try it, we're gonna go explore some of the main sites of the city, including the Lahore Fort and the Royal Mosque. Mask on, let's go inside. And this is the pie. Huge vats of pie. So what is it? Basically, it's a stew with goat feet. Just lots of goat feet. I mean, just huge rows of it. Easily 200 right here. And the way it works is you come in, you get in line, you place your order. Then these vendors get either a plate, well, basically now because of COVID, there's no eating inside, but you can eat outside on the street, or you get to go. So they have a plate or a bag, they fill it up with a few feet, and they add the stew. And that's basically, I mean, it's a crazy amount of commotion here. I love it though. This is the best thing to try. You know, we've been waiting the whole trip to eat it here in Lahore. Look at that. Look at all those goat feet. Crazy, amazing. And this gentleman also just broke up the head of the skull of the goat and extracted the brains. I cannot wait. This is gonna be delicious. Looks so juicy. Adeel.
Yeah.
So we got the pie there?
Yeah, we have pie and we have a brain.
No
in
way.
our breakfast.
Pie, the brains, and we have some delicious naan. It's great, incredible. This is the way.
Yes.
Let's go.
We have our pie with us.
Look at that.
Wow.
So show me how we do it. Just go in.
Yes, we have to use our naan.
Always naan. Get enough, right?
Yes.
Then what do you do?
Then we have to pick our pie and grab some meat.
It's basically a lot of fat, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh man, so juicy. Lots of jelly here.
Yeah.
Just pull it out, right? Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, this is delicious. You know, I'm not a huge feet person. Like, I don't like feet that much, but this is incredible.
Exactly.
So straight jelly.
Exactly. It's
Just jelly.
just the jelly.
Wow. So you just gotta get in here, you know, rip up as much as possible. Obviously, be careful with the bones. There are a lot of bones.
Yeah, very little bones. You have to be careful.
I love the gravy. Nice and oily. Also very light. So you're gonna get in here, grab that, right? Just like that. Look at that. I personally love fat, so I love this dish. I've eaten a lot of pig feet. Pig feet. It's not my favorite just because it's so hard to get through, but this one,
Yeah.
you get a lot. Wow, and it's not too spicy. Not too spicy at all. Next up, you gotta try the brain, right?
Yeah. That's my brain.
Oh wow, this guy's just putting in more of the gravy here.
Yes.
So get in here. Oh, that's brains, huh? That's definitely brains. It's like overflowing our dish here. Okay, look at that. Whoa, good, huh? Perfect. Lassi? Why not? Oh, the brains is way better. The brains is like, I'd rather the brains over the feet. Brains is just so like, it's like pure butter and jelly. It's
very creamy.
It's creamy and it's also a little spongy.
Spongy, yeah.
Spongy. Oh my god.
It's really tasty.
It's too tasty. You have to be into organs if you want to eat this dish. If not, that was heaven.
Exactly.
Heaven. My favorite's the brain. You?
Me too.
Me too. Let me try that. Look at this, the big chunk. And I love how we're eating this on the street. Literally, this traffic jam behind us. Good. This is the best dish in Pakistan. This is definitely on the exotic side. Wow. This meal's not complete without some lassi. It's a thick Punjabi Lassi. Super thick. Oh, I love this one. Very nice. Creamy. Very nice. Oh man, incredible. Great way to flush down all that brain, right? Shukriya. Hey, shukriya. And now you guys know, when you're in Lahore, come out to have some breakfast here on Temple Road at Aneef CD Pie, which means head and feet of the goat. It is absolutely mouth-watering. An exotic dish here in Pakistan. Highly recommend it. Obviously, pair it with some of that naan. Look at that. The guys don't stop going with the tandoor, like 3 guys all day long. And then after you eat all that, have some lassi. And yeah, 8 a.m. is the best time. That's when you get this rush, right? You have to be here for the rush. The rush is the best part. Okay, let's go explore.
Let's go explore the Lahore Fort.
It's starting to rain. Hopefully it goes away. Because it's still raining for another hour, we're gonna take a quick stop and have some more breakfast. We're gonna have some halwa puri. You know, this is the most traditional breakfast in all of Pakistan. I've eaten it everywhere. Obviously, my first morning here in Lahore. So I'm gonna try it right here at this point. What's up, guys? Assalamu alaikum.
They have 3 kind of halwa. The plain halwa, and another is khoya wala halwa, and third one is zafrani halwa.
Let's try the 2 I haven't tried. I usually try the plain one. I want to try the other ones. This one in front of us is the saffron halwa with a lot of dried fruits and nuts. This looks incredible.
Exactly.
I want this one.
Yes.
This is the best. Thanks, guys. And here we have something completely different I haven't seen before in Pakistan. This is mutton kachori and chicken kachori. Extremely different, right? So it's like a thick, flaky, really hot. Like, I wouldn't call it a biscuit, but it's like a more of a thicker pie, right? Thicker pie. One of them has mutton, which is goat. The other one has chicken. So we're gonna try this as well. Can't wait. Crazy situation here because it's raining so bad. We can't eat on the car. Obviously, because of COVID, we can't eat here because no indoor dining. So we're gonna have to go under that overpass right there. Have to go under it and eat standing up. Hopefully this works. It's pretty intense, guys. COVID. We made it work. We made it work. We found a concrete brick. That's our table. So we have here chana, chickpeas, right? There's 3 different halwas. We have the puri, and then that's the kachori. So I think I want to start with the kachori first.
The mutton kachori.
Mutton kachori. Oh, it's still so hot. So hot. Oh, it's flaky. It's basically a pie.
Exactly.
Oh, minced mutton. Oh, I love the flakiness. Nice and crispy. Closest to this is like a really incredible empanada, including empanada. It's like crispy like this. So good. Wow. And these puris are extremely crispy. They're not as soft, they're not as doughy. Straight crisp. So just go in here and get one of these, right? I like these, the different ones. Oh my gosh. This is heaven right here. We have almond.
Khoya halwa. This is zafrani halwa.
That's saffron. I'm gonna try this one next. But this one, I like how sorry, how nutty it is. Also, the fruits, right? The dried fruits, crispy, oily. That's the best one. That saffron taste. So sweet.
Awesome.
It's awesome. Yeah. Zabardast. So get some of this right, then also go into the chickpeas. To be honest, I'm just mesmerized with where we are. I'm a nutty guy, man.
Good.
That was good. Great stuff. We can eat, huh? Unfortunately for the rain, it just keeps coming down, man. But I like this one the most. I like the saffron the most, but this one is different because it's 3 different ones, right? Incredible breakfast. Halva puri is like the staple breakfast. Everywhere. It's always sweet and savory. Every day. You know I'm the puri king, right? I'm the king of puris.
Halwa is delicious.
It's so sweet. It's crumbly. I'll tell you, we were really nervous about where to put the tray. But you know what? When you believe, God provides. Straight up, man. I was so nervous. Perfect. After a 15-minute drive, we arrived here to Lahore Fort, a 16th century fort built by a Mughal emperor. All right, let's go inside. What do we have behind us?
The picture wall. Picture wall is the largest wall in the world as well. So this construction of this wall was started by the fourth Mughal emperor Jahangir, but was completed by his son Shah Jahan. So length is a 450 meter. This picture wall. Height is a 17 meter. Where the Mughal game are showing in this picture: bullfightings, camel fightings, elephant fightings, horse fighting. You can see that. Even you can see the pigeons halls. This gate is called Shah Burj. It was built by 5th great Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1632. That gate was used for the royalty. How was a great time? How would have been beautiful view 400 years back when Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan sitting on the elephants and passed this gate, and left side there is an elephant steps, and climbed that step and went to the Mirror Palace. How was a great time? In the arrival of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, slave girls stood in the arches and throwing the rose petals on the arrival of Emperor Shah Jahan. I want to show you. You can see the smaller gate as well for the point of the security reason. Anybody could not enter directly. They need a bow for identifications. After identification, they were allowed to, they can come inside.
These are the elephant steps. So there's 58, right? 58 steps. Incredible, huge. So look, imagine. So the elephant was steps. Incredible. I love it. Yeah. Massive. And then right there, obviously that's where the slave girls basically say hi to the emperor as he came in and threw rose petals.
Were destroyed in the Sikh war. When they had a Sikh war, after the death of Sikh emperor, he had a 3 sons: Khada Singh, Sher Singh, Dalip Singh. Sikh emperor died. Khada Singh also died, elder son. And his wife fought with the Sher Singh. They did fight each other 10 years. In the Sikh war, the many part of the royal fort were destroyed. The Badshahi Mosque, the royal mosque, was also destroyed in the Sikh war.
If you guys don't know about the Mughal Empire, it was a massive dynasty, over 350 years conquering all this area, which is between Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, and also like Uzbekistan, so Central Asia.
Yes.
It dominated this whole area. That's why when you visit, Jaipur, when you visit places in Uzbekistan, similar type of architecture, right? Always the red stone in this area,
yes,
right? And the first Mughal emperor was actually born in Uzbekistan. His son was born in Kabul,
yes,
right? And then they kept, the lineage coming all around because they kept moving, right? So it was always between Lahore and Delhi is what their capitals were, right? They would move just depending on the time of year, right?
Actually, the Delhi was the first Mughal dynasty of the Mughal Empire, but later they shifted in Lahore.
Okay.
Akbar the Great made the city Mughal dynasty, and Akbar the Great also built of the city 12 gate and 9 meter high wall. After Akbar, Jahangir was born in Fatehpur Sikri.
Okay.
Fatehpur Sikri. Then he was crowned in
yeah, that's right outside of Agra. That's right outside of
Agra. After Jahangir, Shah Jahan was born in Lahore,
right,
and then he was also crowned in Agra. But he made Mughal dynasty Delhi because he loved Delhi, but he also loved Lahore.
This guy knows his history, man. Awesome. And in terms of what it reminds me of the most, some of the forts in Jaipur, right? In terms of color, right?
Yeah,
and
that's
structure.
sandstone.
Yeah, sandstone. And what else can we see? Where are we going?
The most beautiful place inside this Lahore fort, the whole palace, it is decorated with a mirror. The dancing girls, musician also performed in the middle place.
Back in 1632, Shah Jahan, emperor of the Mughal world, his wife said, hey, build me something that no one can build, no man can build. He said, okay, what do you mean? He's like, show me the stars. So he decided, okay, the only way to show you the stars is basically to make mirrors or put mirrors in this palace. So he built this palace, the mirror palace, with glass from Syria. As you can see, the courtyard, then this is the rooms of the palace. Incredible. Look at the glass. All the top is glass. It's all mirrors. So if you light a candle, it will reflect through everywhere. And obviously at night with the stars, you can see the stars in the mirrors. Look at this. Wow. 1632. Almost 400 years old.
It's the diamond room of Untitled and Chapter. How they had a great time here. They sit here. That was the river Ravi. They had a beautiful view of the river Ravi and they eating.
Imagine with this view, looking over the river. Before the river was there, obviously the fort was built next to the water to have a moat. Look at this, incredible paintings. You got peacocks, flowers. I mean, this is incredible. Over 400 years old. All in perfect condition. This was never restored, right? Never restored. This is original. Wow. And there's also mirrors up there too, like glass.
Yeah. Even if you look at the ceiling, you can see the iron hooks. The iron hooks, candles hanging with it. It was also illuminated with the candles and were look like a stars.
And that's it for the fort. We saw the mirror palace, the main gate. There's a few other things to see here, but they're under renovation right now, right?
Yes.
So where are we going next?
We're going to next the Badshah Mosque, the King Mosque, the Royal Mosque.
The Royal Mosque.
Yes. It's the 6th number biggest mosque in the Pakistan, in the world as well.
In the world. Okay, and it's right here. It's literally like a 2-minute walk right that way.
Yes. It is called the Hazuri Bagh, Excellency Garden of the Sikh people. So back of you can see the garden and you can see the white marble building. That building is called Baradari. Baradari means 12 arches place. It was built by Sikh emperor in 1818 when he snatched Kohinoor diamond.
And what's that?
Diamond. The Badshah Mosque, the entrance of the Badshah Mosque. So it was built by 6th great Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb Alamgir. That was completed 3.5 years. About 100,000 people can offer prayer in one time in this mosque. The red sandstone was brought from Indian city Jaipur by elephant 400 years back. The white marble, it's covered with the domes. That was brought from Makrana of Indian dynasty. We see, go there.
Like every mosque, gotta take off your shoes first. And this is the Royal Mosque, 6th largest mosque in the world. Look at this courtyard. Over 100,000 people can come here and pray. It is massive. I love it. The colors, I've never seen a mosque like this. All red sandstone, right?
Red sandstone.
And the floor. Everything.
Yes. Everything. Yeah.
Everything. So you have 4 minarets, right? And you have 3 domes, and then 4 minarets on there.
So you look at the minaret. These are high, the 54-meter high minarets. These are the little tilt. If earthquake comes, they fell outside, not inside. That way, those who are offering prayer, they would not damage by them.
So David, we are here at Minare, Pakistan, where the Pakistan resolution was passed at 23rd March 1940. So we are today, 23rd March, we are here to celebrate Pakistan Day.
So today is March 23rd, 2021, 81 years later. Yes, look at this, beautiful. So it's a minaret, right? Pakistan Minar, gorgeous. It's barbed wire all around, so you can't actually enter, but you can get some great views from outside. Come here during sunset. We were here the other day, but it was raining, so unfortunately we couldn't see it then, but we're seeing it now. Incredible. So this is where the nation started, right here, with the resolution. And that's it, guys. We had an incredible morning here in Lahore. We had a traditional breakfast pie. Oh man, so good. It was goat brains, goat feet. I mean, super delicious, mixed with some naan and some lassi. And then after that, we went and we had some halwa puri, 3 different types of halwas. We also had a kachori. It was like a mutton kachori. Oh, so good. We ate on the side of the road because it's raining today. It's a really gloomy day, unfortunately for us, but it's all good. We saw the fort, which is incredible. We saw the 6th largest mosque in the world. Look at this place. So beautiful. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Lahore, Pakistan. Take care.